What's up guys, it's your girl Neesyraychelle and I am back with another video. So today's video will be a how-to / review of the Kiss press-on nails. So my nails are off. I did soak them off last week sometime because I wanted a new set basically. So I soaked my nails off and then I was like, hey, I still have this like set of press-ons that I have not used yet. So I was like, let me go ahead and make a video out of it, because a lot of the time when I do wear press-ons, people always think that I actually have my nails done, so I get a lot of questions about the press-ons. So I figured, why not make a video since I make videos anyway. So the set that I am using today is Bring the Salon Home Kiss Classy Nails, Keep Calm and Stay Classy, Trendy Shape and Style, 28 nails with the glue included, and they are in the medium size. This is what they look like, if it will focus for you all, because I know the light is bright and usually with white and these types of colors you can't really see it. Oh, there they go. So they say they have a 7-day wear. The first thing you want to do in prep is make sure your nails are clean with polish remover. So you know, you can get polish remover from any drugstore, Walmart, Target, whatever store like that is around you. And you also want to wash your hands with soap and water. You're going to select the size nail for each finger and set aside in order, and the nails are sized by number, so usually whatever number you are on one hand, you may be on the other hand. I know me, I have a crooked finger, so one of my nails is different from the other one. Y'all, it's hereditary because I checked my mama hand and she got one too, so it's just in the genetics, okay? And the numbers are under the nail, so like if you flip the nail over, you'll see the number. And then it says, for glue application, apply glue to the back of the nail, the artificial nail, not your nail. Put it on the back of that and then apply glue to your natural nail and align it with your cuticle. Press and hold for 5 seconds. And it says anything with glitter may cause any uneven edges, but this set does not have glitter nails on it, so you know, we ain't gotta worry about all that. And then for removal, it says trim and file surface to disrupt the protective top coat. Apply Kiss glue off remover between artificial nails and natural nails, or soak in acetone polish remover until soft. I usually soak mine off because these things are hard to get off. They do not just pop off. They take a minute to take off. Like, I just don't understand. This is not how it was when I was in elementary school. Like, these press-ons are a lot better than they used to be. I just got that to say to y'all. So yeah, I usually soak mine off, but apparently there is a glue off remover, which I'm gonna have to try that for y'all because I didn't know it was a thing. So yeah, I am going to set up and wash my hands and get all of that together so that I can do this for you all. Alright, so this is what my nails look like right now. As you can see, I have some Leukonia. I think I'm saying it right, y'all. I'm not good with pronouncing this stuff, but that's on this nail. And that's just when you get a little damage of the nail, like whether you hit it or split it or anything, and it makes this white bruise almost in the middle or in your nail. So that's what's going on there. Other than that, my nails are looking kind of crazy. So got my nails, my press-ons ready to go, and I'm hoping that this is really clear, but my phone, I can't connect my viewfinder for whatever reason. It just don't want to do what it's supposed to be doing. So I'm just going to take these out. Like they said, it does come with the glue. So this is the glue, and it is a Kiss glue, the pink gel glue. So these will be some of the nails that you can use, and it's just a French. And then of course you have more in there, so I'm gonna dump those as well. You get a file and a wooden cuticle stick pusher. And yeah, so now I'm gonna figure out which nails go with my, fingers, and then I'll be back. Alright, so now that I have all the nails picked out, I kind of want to just go through that whole process with you all so you can see like what it takes to pick them out and make sure they cover your nail completely, especially if you're like me, you have larger hands. And I notice with different sets it's different numbers, because I do personally know my numbers for my sets, but like for whatever reason, this is a little different. So I have them picked out. Again, my nails are clean. I washed my hands. I don't have any acrylic left over on them. This is just my natural nails, how they naturally are. So now I'm going to open this glue. And y'all, look like I've already used this one, because sometimes like I can't find glue. So the best thing to do is start with your pinky and work your way in. So it says put a little bit on there, and I like to like come a little closer so y'all can see. Spread it out with the tip of the thing, and then add a little to my nail like it says. And I don't think I've ever actually added any to my nail. I usually just do the press on. And yeah, you're just going to press that down, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may have some excess glue run over, so if you do, I'm going to show you my little trick. I take this little pusher out of the pack and just kind of scrape it away like that. So that's the first nail on. I'm going to do the same for the rest of them. Little glue in here, and as you can see, you don't need a lot, just a little squeeze, and press down and hold. And what I always try to, my goal is to not have any bubbles. So you may see me rotating my fingers on the nail as I press down, and this prevents me from having bubbles. See, with that one I put way too much glue, so I have glue running down the side of my finger now. And with this press on thing, guys, it is trial and error. Sometimes you'll get it perfect, other times it may not be perfect, but you know, you just kind of go with it. So if you know me, y'all already know these too short for me, but I bought so many different packs of these things that I kind of need to wear them. See, this will be one that has a little bubble action going on in there, but it's not so like drastic. So that's the first hand done. That's what they look like. These were real cute in the pack. I don't know how I feel about them right now, but that is my left hand done, and I will come back when my right hand is done so I can show you the full look. Alright guys, so now I have both hands on. This is what they look like. So yeah, I guess because I am right-handed, when I did my right hand using my left hand, I obviously got a ton more air bubbles, like a ton more compared to this hand. Looks like I just went and got a manicure done. Y'all, one thing I will say about these press-ons, and it may be the glue, maybe they've changed the formula, definitely 100 times more sturdy than, I know y'all remember going to the hair store and like in the local drugstore when you were younger and buying press-ons and like they were off the same day. Was it just me? Was I the only one doing that? Because, excuse me, girl, I always thought I was supposed to have some nails done. And my mom definitely did not let me get my nails done until 8th grade. And I want to say it was like the end of 8th grade, about like me going into high school, because she was so against it. Like, no, you don't need no nails, you don't need no makeup, you don't need no lipstick. And now look at your girl. That's why I'm so fascinated with this stuff, because she wouldn't let me do it. So this is what they look like. Again, super sturdy. Like, I can ball my fist up because these are so short. I ain't finna fight nobody, but you know, you never know when you need to ball your fist up. And I'm able to type with these. I can still wax people with these nails, like with these press-ons on, without them popping off. It's not uncomfortable to do your everyday activities, is what I'm getting at with that. This is maybe my 4th or 5th pair of press-ons with Kiss. My very first pair that I bought them to go to Cleveland. So if y'all remember my Cleveland vlog, I'll throw that up there somewhere. Those were press-ons that I bought by Kiss, because I didn't have time to get my nails done, and because my girl be booked, okay? She never has appointments available. So I went ahead and bought some press-ons, put those on the night before. I could not get those things off. Okay, like they were like stuck. And that's when I realized that the press-ons are a ton better than they used to be. So whenever I can't get my nails done or don't feel like getting my nails done, or my nail tech is booked and I need a new set, I'll go and get press-ons, like especially if I have an event, and they work out so well. Kiss has such a wide range of press-ons now. So y'all, like if you don't want to pay to get your nails done, you need something quick and to the point and that you can do it yourself at home, get you some press-ons, y'all. Like, it's not a bad look. They look like I went to the salon. And again, very functional, functional, one of them, I don't know, but they work for my everyday life. Now for me personally, I think mine may last almost the full 7 days. I think by day like 5 they might start like popping off or lifting or something, and that's still good compared to 1 day and they're off. I have an oily nail bed though, so when I put press-ons on my mom, hers lasts the full 7 days. Actually, I think she went a full 2 weeks the last time she had press-ons on. So definitely try them out. I will put their website down below because they do have them on there where you can order from the website. But you also can go to your local drugstore, Walmart, Target, you know, any of those stores. They do have the press-ons in the beauty department. So yeah, that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to do it because y'all be playing. Subscribe to the channel so y'all can see more videos, and I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget, always stay chic.